Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Melissa, Texas, where we have spent the first week removing exterior walls in Melissa. And let's walk down and see. We've removed the main wall, and you can see our supports, which are from the early hundreds. And this house is about a little over 90 years old. And as you can tell, those are steel ties, railroad ties, that were put in originally, and they're still bracing the house. And our supports from a previous contractor that came in and re-supported the house to keep the walls from collapsing. And now we're going to fix everything and rebuild it. The first thing we did was remove these walls, and you can see how thick the wall is, and you can see how thick the footer is. And let's walk inside. Our stairs, AC area. This wall would be supported, braced, and fixed after we began removing the rear wall. And the rear wall will be removed next, as you can see. And there's the closet over on the side. I love seeing the supports. Our intention is to remove as many of the supports in the center to give us some living space. Let's go check on the other side. The old water heater, a historical water heater. And we've already opened up the rear wall, and we're going to remove the electrical. And you can see we've already opened up this area. You see how big the boulders are. And we are having fun. So if you like our videos, click the like and subscribe button, and we would like to answer whatever questions you have about a project that you may have coming up. If nothing else, just ask your general questions. So let's get busy.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.